We now have a better understanding of how much money people will get from the Flint water settlement. Special Master Deborah Greenspan is asking federal court Judge Judith Levy to distribute payments, and recommended amounts have been filed with the court for review and approval. But the proposed amounts range from $1,000 for property damage to $100,000 for children who were the youngest claimants when they were exposed to tainted Flint water. However, most payments will be modest. More than $626 million was allocated for the Flint water crisis settlement, most of that coming from the states. Some money, however, has already been paid out. According to the court, $11.7 million was given to the Genesee Intermediate School District for programmatic relief and Legionella claims. Attorney fees will amount to 25% of the total fund. The remainder will be divided among all approved claimants.
It is so hard to put into any kind of monetary amount what was the price tag on our kids' futures, on our organs that we lost, on the people that had passed away.
Water activist and Flint resident Melissa Mays says the amount of money will never be enough. The court has provided a breakdown based on 30 categories. There are 25,900 people approved for money. 13,130 are claims for those who are or were children at the time of the crisis.
That happened with my kids. They were all kids when this all started, and then now they have to sign paperwork as an adult.
Because their parents filed the documents when they were minors, they will have to sign forms on their own behalf. The court says they can be requested during the payment process. Mays has been fighting on this front for more than a decade now. She says people still need help beyond the money.
This shouldn't be a sign-off for our elected officials to be like, oh, well, they've got their $1,000 checks, good enough. No.
While the city and state have funded replacing the lead service lines from the street to the house, indoor plumbing was not part of the program. Mays says that needs to be done. Based on the court document, a majority of people will not get a lot of money. Those 6 years or younger will get more than 64% of the fund. Ages 7 through 11, they will get 10%. 12 to 17-year-olds, 5%. Adults who filed with injury claims get 15% of the fund. Property damage is 3%, and businesses would get less than 1% of the fund.
While it might seem like a big amount of money, nobody's going to be off partying and jetting to a new world.
Again, this all needs to be approved and signed off on by the judge. The numbers and mathematical equations could all change depending on what the judge says. Letters will be sent to legal counsel regarding access to a portal. For people not represented by attorneys, they will get a letter with that code allowing them to access the portal to select their form of payments.